Bay Windows Orange Park homeowners often start with a detailed window replacement consultation, especially when the goal is a stronger home exterior renovation and a cleaner, more modern facade. For Orange Park residential window replacement, the right plan includes window measurement and fit, sash and frame installation, and options for custom bay windows, awning and bay window styles, and tempered glass windows. Orange Park home window replacement service providers also focus on energy-efficient windows, insulated windows, and window sealing and insulation, so the final result improves comfort, curb appeal, and long-term performance throughout Orange Park, Florida neighborhoods. Orange Park Bay Window Replacement is a smart upgrade for homes that need more light, better views, and a more polished architectural look. With bay window installation, homeowners can add custom bay window replacement Orange Park, Florida solutions that match existing trim, siding, and roof lines. Best bay window contractors in Orange Park often recommend energy-efficient bay windows Orange Park families can use to reduce drafts and improve indoor temperatures. From bay window installers Orange Park, Florida to local window installation Orange Park specialists, the focus stays on precise framing, proper fit, and durable results for bay windows Orange Park properties. Residential window replacement in Orange Park, Florida is especially valuable when older units struggle with leaks, fogging, or poor insulation. A dependable window replacement service can address residential glass replacement, house window installation, home window replacement, and window frame replacement in one coordinated project. Orange Park, Florida replacement window contractors frequently suggest vinyl window replacement and Orange Park vinyl replacement windows for easy maintenance and strong weather resistance. Homeowners looking for Orange Park, Florida window upgrade services also benefit from replacement window contractors who understand local climate demands and can recommend insulated windows and double-pane window replacement options, as well as stylish upgrades like bay windows. Orange Park homeowners often choose to enhance natural light and curb appeal. Drafty window replacement is one of the most common requests from homeowners seeking better energy performance and lower utility bills. Orange Park drafty window installation and replacement services often combine window retrofit services with window sealing and insulation to stop air intrusion and moisture issues. When gaps, cracks, or worn components affect the building envelope, Orange Park, Florida insulated window upgrades can make a major difference. Whether the project involves window upgrade services, house window replacement Orange Park, Florida, or Orange Park window retrofit and replacement, the goal is always improved comfort, efficiency, and year-round protection. Bay window replacement near Orange Park, Florida is often selected during full home exterior window renovation projects that require both style and function. Orange Park home exterior window renovation contractors can install replacement windows for houses that complement traditional and contemporary designs. Custom-fit bay windows, residential bay window installation in Orange Park, and Orange Park custom-fit bay windows give homeowners more interior space and added natural light. When paired with vinyl replacement windows or insulated windows, these upgrades create an attractive, durable solution that enhances the property value of Orange Park homes. Double-pane window replacement remains a top choice for homeowners who want better insulation, less noise, and improved indoor comfort. Orange Park double-pane window replacement services help reduce heat transfer while supporting energy-efficient windows throughout the home. Whether the project involves residential glass replacement service, window frame replacement experts, or Orange Park residential glass replacement service, double-pane systems are ideal for Florida weather. Homeowners comparing new construction windows with retrofit options often find that home window replacement with dual-pane glass delivers strong results without sacrificing style or performance. Orange Park, Florida window sealing and insulation services can dramatically improve aging windows that no longer perform as they should. Window replacement consultation often reveals issues with worn seals, improper fit, or damaged frame components that lead to energy loss. Orange Park window frame replacement experts, sash and frame installation specialists, and Orange Park drafty window installation and replacement teams can restore function or recommend full window replacement service options. For homeowners wanting lasting improvement, window measurement and fit is essential, especially when selecting insulated windows, tempered glass windows, or custom bay windows. House window replacement. Orange Park, Florida projects often include both practical upgrades and design-forward features that complement the home's architecture. Bay window styles. Awning and bay window styles, and replacement windows for houses can transform a plain exterior into a standout property. Orange Park residential window replacement crews frequently install new construction windows, window retrofit services, and residential window installers in Orange Park, Florida solutions for remodels and additions. With the right replacement window contractors, homeowners can combine style, ventilation, and efficiency in one seamless home exterior renovation. Energy-efficient windows are a priority for Orange Park homeowners who want to reduce cooling costs and improve indoor comfort in hot Florida weather. Orange Park replacement windows for houses are available in vinyl, double pane, and insulated configurations designed for long-term performance. From Orange Park Home Window Replacement Service calls to Orange Park, Florida replacement window contractors handling larger projects, the focus remains on reducing drafts, improving sealing, and enhancing overall value. Window upgrade services, home window replacement, and residential window installers in Orange Park, Florida all contribute to a smarter, more efficient home. Bay window replacement near Orange Park, Florida also makes sense for homeowners looking to create a brighter living room, dining area, or front-facing architectural feature. Orange Park bay window replacement, bay window installation, and bay window installers. Orange Park, Florida can all be tailored to the home's size, style, and structural requirements. Residential bay window installation in Orange Park works especially well with custom bay windows and energy-efficient bay windows Orange Park homeowners appreciate. From Orange Park residential window replacement to Orange Park home exterior window renovation, the right window replacement service delivers beauty, performance, and lasting value. Bay windows. Orange Park homeowners choose for curb appeal and natural light are a smart part of any home exterior renovation. Custom bay windows, awning and bay window styles, and tempered glass windows can transform a facade while improving interior views and value. For Orange Park custom bay window replacement, Orange Park custom fit bay windows, and custom bay window replacement. Orange Park, Florida, homeowners often compare style, glass options, and frame materials to match the property. Residential window replacement in Orange Park, Florida starts with accurate window measurement and fit, followed by a detailed window replacement consultation. Orange Park, Florida replacement window contractors, residential window installers in Orange Park, Florida, and local window installation. Orange Park teams handle house window installation, home window replacement, and replacement windows for houses with precision. Whether the project involves new construction windows, window upgrade services, or window retrofit services, the right fit supports long-term performance. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for Orange Park, Florida properties facing heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Orange Park, Florida insulated window upgrades, insulated windows, double pane window replacement, and Orange Park vinyl replacement windows help reduce drafts and improve indoor comfort. For drafty window replacement, Orange Park, Florida window sealing and insulation, and window frame replacement experts in Orange Park. These upgrades can lower energy loss while supporting a quieter, more comfortable home. Bay window installation and bay window replacement near Orange Park, Florida are ideal for homeowners seeking expanded space and enhanced light. Best bay window contractors in Orange Park, bay window installers Orange Park, Florida, and residential bay window installation in Orange Park can recommend energy-efficient bay windows. Orange Park and bay window replacement service options for living rooms, kitchens, and front-facing elevations. Orange Park bay window replacement, bay window replacement near Orange Park, Florida, and bay windows. Orange Park projects often pair beautifully with vinyl window replacement and house window replacement. Orange Park, Florida. Window replacement service options in Orange Park include residential glass replacement, sash and frame installation, window frame replacement, and Orange Park residential glass replacement service for damaged or aging units. Orange Park Home Window Replacement Service, Orange Park Window Retrofit and Replacement, and Orange Park Drafty Window Installation and Replacement are common solutions for older homes that need improved sealing and performance. From window sealing and insulation to replacement window, contractors and Orange Park replacement windows for houses, homeowners can choose the right upgrade for comfort and durability. Homeowners looking for Orange Park residential window replacement often prioritize reliability, efficiency, and style in one project. Orange Park Home Exterior Window Renovation, Orange Park Florida Window Sealing and Insulation, and Orange Park Home Window Replacement Service can be tailored to match architectural details and budget goals. For energy-efficient windows, home exterior renovation, and Orange Park Florida insulated window upgrades, the right contractor can deliver lasting value with residential window replacement, bay window installation, and house window installation completed to spec.